I'd been to the hospital, we'd done physio exercises, but it was just getting worse, so I was on the surgery list. So I've got meniscus tear in both knees, one from about 3 years ago, one from about 8 months ago. Basically I lost mobility in my knees, couldn't kneel down, couldn't bend, couldn't squat, struggling to kneel. Obviously being a paramedic, it's quite vital. The simplest of tasks at home, even walking down the stairs in the morning, I struggled. I had to hold on both hands, really seizing up. And obviously because my knees were then shot, my hips were I was getting backache. It was having a knock-on effect to the point where I just, I wanted surgery sooner rather than later. So about 8 months, I've had MRIs and obviously everything's been confirmed that they were meniscus tears. Just put it down to meniscus tear, osteoarthritis. So I thought, that's it, I've got to have the surgery basically. Because I'd already done the physio through the hospital, I thought, why am I going to pay for private, But it was a last ditch attempt basically. I thought I've got to do something because my job's in jeopardy at the end of the day. So as I say, I'd been doing a bit of research. I'd seen you guys, obviously the reviews and that were absolutely spot on. So I initially come to you guys because I was hoping for private injections. So first session, he was quite upfront with me. He was quite honest. I had a good consultation with him. He said, obviously, if it is arthritis, it's not the end of the world. We can work around it. He said straight away, I want to look at your hips and your ankles, because if you've got knee pain, generally it's going to come from one of them, where nobody ever told me that before. He was working on my knees mainly and then just doing a bit on the hips, and basically sort of worked his way up. As soon as he started on my hips, it was a game changer to the point where I was coming in weekly. I'm now coming in monthly, just for maintenance sessions. I seen the other Sam and done the biometrics thing, and he was the one who pointed out, you're walking wrong. You're walking sort of lopsided. So trying to learn to walk again will really hard, but obviously with Sam, with the physio and that, freeing my hips up, I'm now walking properly. So back going down the gym again, I'm actually doing leg exercises, which were off the cards before. I'm walking again, like I enjoy my walks. I'm a big fisherman, so I like roving. That were all off the cards because my knees were just that sore. I only had to walk 200-300 yards down the road and I knew about it, especially the day after. So yeah, life's looking good again. They've offered me surgery, I've declined surgery. Obviously I've not had the injections. I've got full mobility back in my knees. On a pain score of 1 to 10, I'm probably about half, where initially I was probably 9. I was on codeine, I was on ibuprofen, yeah, you name it, I was on it. I was taking everything. I'm not on any medication for pain anymore whatsoever. My hips are so free, my mobility is outstanding now. So yeah, really good. Get down here, get booked in, get it seen by one of these guys, because the outcome's amazing.